We were not expecting that. Bearing in mind that the grade 10, we are expecting 100% transition to senior secondary schools. But a problem arose because most of these students, I think the C1 and C2 schools have taken most of the students. They are overfilling so that they can be able to cover up the gap, the gap of the Form 1 and Form 2s. So they are leaving these schools, C3 and C4. They are struggling so much to get the students.
Okay, our worry is we are offering the two pathways, STEM and social sciences. Now, we are not even sure how many will come in STEM and how many will be admitted for social sciences. So we are worried that we may not get an adequate number, so that we are a number good enough to teach.
And without capitation, it will be very difficult to manage the schools with no resources, with minimal resources. And also bear in mind that constituting the classes will be a problem when we have very few students. They are coming in different pathways. Na kwa hivyo, even settling down is becoming a problem. Setting up the timetable, knowing who is going to take what, is becoming a problem.
Maybe this will be a trend. We will have a very small school. We need to grow, and we have the infrastructure. We have got 8 classes right now. And then if we will not be able to get the numbers, we will have infrastructure but no students.